Today unboxing is on the latest Tomica Limited Vintage arrival. One is a 20th anniversary commemorative, and the other is part of the Tomicarama series, a first for TLV in a unique box. And now let's take a closer look at the 20th anniversary commemorative Civic. Definitely comes a long way for this casting, and is also one of TLV's most popular casting. Very expected casting, presented just in another color. It's great for many collectors including me, who has missed out the earlier Civic, which is now ridiculously priced in the aftermarket. Stock wheel set with standard suspension. Side mirror is already pre-installed with very detailed interior. I like the green seats. Simple and detailed rear with plastic rear lights that looks very realistic. I really like the interior for this Civic. I think the color scheme pairs perfectly with the body color. Very detailed plastic insert headlights, together with a very sharp Honda badge on the hood. Base is in diecast, which some viewers may wonder, hence I presented it today. Next is the Tomica Rama Box Set together with the Honda Civic. Very compact box. Design of the box is very retro, sort of the 90s design in the Heisei era. Quite a comprehensive accessories that's included for this Tomicarama set. However, all these accessories are very familiar to me. These accessories are all very similar to the Yokohama and Bridgestone's tire shop. Behind, detailed breakdown of the accessories, including the instruction for the car lift. The same accessories in just different color, so I'm not going to open them. It's similar to the Yokohama and Bridgestone's tire shop. Although the details are quite basic for the minifig, given it's a 1:64 scale. All of them are able to stand freely, which is the breeze for photography. Just like the Tomicarama workshop set, the car stand is very basic, very simple. You just need to lift up the car lift, which are able to stand the weight of the casting. Adjustable arm to fit the various wheelbase of the car. And when compared with the Yokohama tire shop car lift, is totally identical, with just a variant in color. Next, the Honda Civic that comes along with the Tomicarama set. Typical body color of the Civic is very iconic, together with the white wheel set. Standard suspension for the Civic. Side mirror is already pre-installed with a very detailed interior that is expected from TLV. Wheels are able to roll fast. Clean-cut rear with detailed rear lights that comes in plastic, a stock and nostalgic Civic without any modification, and that's what collectors love about it. And flawless paint job as always, that is a given from TLV. Overall, a fantastic pair of Civic together with a unique Tomicarama set. Definitely a collectible. Stay tuned for more TLV unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye!